Hello everyone, this is Crystal and welcome to my channel where I share card making techniques, sweet paper crafts, and now inspiring food ideas. And today I will be showing you how I made this watercolor beach card. This is for the July 2019 Create at Home with G Color Combo Card Challenge. And our colors this month are aqua, pink, and yellow. Stay tuned as I show you how you can make this beautiful watercolor beach card. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. So let's get started. Our colors this month are aqua, pink, and yellow. So I used the distressed oxide inks and I used the colors scattered straw, spun sugar, and peacock feathers. And here I'm taking the spun sugar and using my aqua painter, adding a little water to it, and just kind of watercoloring over the front of my watercolor paper. And now I'm putting down some peacock feathers and I sprayed it with a little bit of water. And I'm going back in with the peacock feathers and making another layer. And then I'm going to take my scattered straw and do the same thing. And as you notice, I don't stamp it on the same spot on my mat. And I added some more yellow. I didn't spritz the yellow because I wanted it to be brighter. And then I wiped off my aqua painter on a towel I had. And I went back over the pink again to make it a little bit darker. And now I'll take my towel and I'll wipe off my craft mat so I don't get it everywhere. And let my watercolor paper dry a little bit. Then I took some black Versamite ink and I used a stamp set that I have in my stash that says, "Nothing soothes the soul like a walk on the beach." And I stamped that on the front. Now this is unusual for me because I usually don't start off with a sentiment. That's usually one of the last things I do. But for this card, it's one of the first things that I did. And then using the same ink, I have a stamp that has a sign that says beach. And I stamped it and added it to the front of the card as well. And then I noticed I had a little black smudge on the bottom of my card, which was no big deal because I took a seashell and a starfish die that I had in my stash as well, and I stamped over them so you don't even notice that those little spots were there. You could also even add sequins or other embellishments over the spots as well if you didn't want to stamp over them. And here I took a regular white card base and I added a blue mat, but I realized that I cut it too big, so I had to cut it down. So here I am re-gluing it back down. And then after I got that glue down, I realized the front of my card was a little too big, so I had to trim it down as well to go on the front of it. And then I added some foam tape to the back of the front of my card, and then I'll just stick that on top of the blue mat. And now I went into my stash and got out some sequins because I kind of wanted to bring out the colors a little bit more in the card, the pink and the blue and the yellow. And so I just put a little dot of glue different places and stuck the sequences on the card. And here I took my alcohol markers and I just colored in the seashells and the starfish just a little bit with some color. I didn't realize I was out of the camera when I did this. And then I took some light brown and I went over the beach sign as well. And here I took some clear Winkestel and I went over the starfish and the shell. And then I went over just a little bit of the areas where I had colored just to give it a little shimmer, the pink, the blue, and the yellow. And now my card's finished. If you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel and click that little bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And also check out Angie and Donna's videos for the Color Combo Card Challenge this month as well. I will link them down below. Oh, and by the way, don't forget to upload your card on Create at Home with G so you can be on the drawing for a goodie bag. Bye for now. Happy crafting!